Okay, so we're standing here with our technician Luke. He is now the technician, not the homeowner. We have our ORSAT. That's what you call that, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So you got your ORSAT in there right now, and that'll be reading. You're looking at your CO levels. So you got your high and low on the furnace. Most of the time in the high stage, that's when it's going to be the highest. Right now we're at about 58 parts per million. So you will print that off and stick it on the actual furnace there. So that's your first actual vital sign reading you have. And then onto your actual...
What would be bad, Luke?
So if anything starts reaching over 100,
okay,
that's where you start throwing in the caution area. You got to figure out what's going on. If it does reach over 200, then you're looking at a safety shutdown or field soup immediately.
Okay.
So that's what you're looking at.
So 100 to 200, we probably want to sell a DRR.
Correct.
200 or more, even if they don't buy a DRR, we need to get a field supervisor.
Correct.
Okay. And we drill a hole. Well, there was a hole here already, but if not, you drill a hole there and put that probe in.
So with probe in, when you do end up taking it out, you want to make sure you tape it up either 2 times around, 2 layers on the PVC, or you can use the high temp silicone as well if you want to use that.
Okay.
And then
we have our...
So over here, we're looking at the static pressure here. So right now we're running at about 0.89 or so.
Okay.
With that reading there, we are taking the return and supply together. So with that, so you got to make sure you're adding them both together. Some gauges will do them separately, some will put them together. All depends on what you got. And then when you are presenting the homeowner, you just show them these. You can always find the max reading on a nameplate inside the furnace.
Yep.
For a Daikin here, it's always going to be 0.50. So right now we're quite a bit above that here.
Okay, so yep, so because this is a Daikin, we know it's 0.5. If you don't know, look for the name tag, it should tell you. And then we know it's 0.8, 0.89, 0.9, somewhere in there. Okay, so we know that the customer has failed airflow and they have passed our exhaust circuit is good, but our airflow circuit has failed in heating mode. All right.